Welcome back to the channel, guys. So things have not gone as well as we'd have hoped in London. I mean, at this point we should have had what, 4 or 5 medals, but we only have 2. See, it was hard enough to swallow or digest Usain Bolt not winning his final individual race. But if I was a betting man, I would have lost a lot of money and honored the women's 100 meters final with Elaine Thompson. I mean, this is the most gifted and technically astute female sprinter I have ever seen. Technically, mechanically, she is perfect. You understand? She basically jogged 10.84 in the semi-finals, looking butter smooth, and she placed 5th in the finals. Something went wrong, but initially I did not know. It turns out that Elaine Thompson vomited 10 times a few minutes before going to the call room for the finals of the women's 100 meters. She is saying it didn't affect her, but you don't vomit 10 times before at the biggest race of your life and it not affect you. Zane and Angela Brownberg, I have a message for you too, but we're going to talk about all of them things there when my circle peeps, soon forward.
Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces, leave a comment, please share the life out of this video, feel free to subscribe for more content, remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video. Let's do it.
First, I'm going to start with Mrs. Angela Brownberg, Dr. Angela Brownberg. Yes, it's sports, enough to leave it alone, because I don't know nothing about sports. You understand what I say? So nobody come jump on this like on jump on everything. You see, politicians in Jamaica, 2 things them do very well: promise and apologize. Now, Elaine Thompson placed 5th. She got tweet say Andrew Wellness fought make Elaine lose the race. Like, woman, you serious? Peeps, I don't know me love women and you know me not hate women. But I know most of them forgive me for put on a one slap on Angela Brownberg that one time. I mean, I tell a lie. You understand? And allow the politicking and bitching out of the sports. You see me I say? No, back to more sensible things. It just never come together. You understand? And person were speculating as to what. She slipped during her drive here. She admitted that. She said she stumbled. She tried to get it back together, smooth it out. It just never come back as how she wanted. She said she tried for all her farm and got through. It just never happened. You understand me I say? No, you could have bet your house on Elaine Thompson winning the race. She is just the class of the field. Yes, Tarlow and Bowie and Schiffers was there and they are world class athletes. But out of them 3 names I will call, Elaine is the best over the 100 meters. There's no doubt about it. You understand me I say? So, and you know I like with Elaine and how she approached this. At no point in time did she mention willingly that she was vomiting before the finals. It was brought up because it was in the warm-up era. So persons were there, the athletes were there. As a matter of fact, Tarlow was the first person to mention it. See, you know, Elaine said, I think my training, it happened regular, you understand? And it would have happened in championships before, but Bruce James, who is the chairman and owner of MVP, stated earlier today that she vomited 10 times before the finals. 10 times. Now imagine how much strength and energy you would have lost after vomiting 10 times before a race like that. So it was some upset stomach thing. I don't know exactly what would have caused that. She responded very well. I think she's not admitting to that being a problem because she don't want to be seen as be finding any excuses. You understand what I say? I think that is very good. To say it's just one of them things that she'll tireless, watch back the race and move on. You see me? I respect that, I admire that. You see me I say, however, she made a post on her Instagram page and it summed it up for me. This is what she had to say.
A race is sometimes like life. Life is sometimes like a race. It doesn't always go as you plan it, but there's always tomorrow and lessons learned to better deal with that tomorrow. I didn't came across the line in front today, but I give thanks to the Lord I came across the line. I thank all my supporters across the world for always supporting me and believing in me. It didn't go as planned today, but I will keep working hard and striving for excellence. Never down and never out. To the next one. Self-love, limitless. Your story. Elaine Thompson.
Peeps, that was well said by her and we appreciate that. You understand what I say? It takes a champion to get up from a mishap like that and move forward, and she has been very gracious in defeat And she has to look here, man. It happened. It was just a bad day. It was a bad day to have a bad day, but it happens. You understand? We just have to move forward, and she's disappointed that she never delivers what she wanted to. But it's not the end of the world. She's healthy. She's physically, she's healthy. And we'll just have to move on from here. You understand what I say? So I appreciate the fact that she don't want to make no excuses. It just never come together on the day, and I just want them things. But we still have to put into perspective that she vomited 10 times before the finals. You understand? We not look no excuse, but all being well, everybody being at their best, Elaine Thompson would have won the race.
Beat and teach, so beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach. Beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So Elaine, I know many Jamaicans are a bit disappointed, especially the people of a banana grown. You know things set up, but we are here for you. We believe in you, and we know that this is just a blimp in the way. That's another hurdle, and you will recover from this, and you will deliver again and again and again. You understand? Happy you finish the race, physically healthy. Hopefully you will be able to get back on the track for the 4x1s and deliver there. You understand? So respect. We are sorry for how it turned out and that it never come together, and them things there. It happens. You see me I say, Omar McLeod though has set the ball a roll with the first gold medal for the country in the finals, and congratulations Omar. Hopefully this now will lift the team in London, because we know they must be feeling down with Bolt and Elaine and Dakers and Blake and a few other persons, you understand? So hopefully this will be a shot in the arm, and the team will be able to lift themselves up and rise up, and you know, say a place a light again. Real Jamaican way. Elaine, big up yourself. Omar, big up yourself. Everybody, big up on your damn self. I'm out.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.